Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we wanted to do something a little different, which is we're going to do the same makeup look. So I'm really surprised we haven't done this before. So we're maybe thinking of making this a series. So if you like this kind of style, let us know in the comments down below. Because I think the goal of it is to talk about how you maybe see like an inspo look and you're like, how can I make that for my face? We'll sort of talk you through like why we're making maybe placement choices the way we are and that kind of thing. So we're going to do a look from Kat from Euphoria. I will pop it up here. Sort of like this minty green, mint green, yellow look.
Very springy.
That's true.
Very inspiring.
It's really cool, like along the lash line there, like.
And it's
different.
Yeah, and it's not a Euphoria look where you need glitter glue or.
Yeah.
You're not gluing sequins.
No.
And it's like everybody's always, I love the makeup on Euphoria, but you have to be so young. Like,
yeah.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Because I'm an old lady.
Yeah, so that's our plan for today. And what's the palette
we're going to be using the Blend Bunny Blends. So we think that there's things in here that we'll be tapping into. Let's give it a go.
So
things I like about her is her skin's so dewy and fresh.
I can't really see her blush tone, so I'm just going to sort of choose something like pinky peachy.
Me too.
You know?
And I like her, my favorite part of her look are her eyebrows, so I tried to make mine a little bit.
Yeah.
And her lashes are dying.
Killer.
But I am not going to be using false lashes because I don't. But I'm going to try and use my mascara to,
Yeah.
get a bit more spiky.
Fit up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to use this two Vive blushes, a pinky and a peachy. I think it'll just match.
I'm going to be using the Melt Mariposa face palette. And here, let's see.
Okay, so we've already done like our foundation and our eyebrows.
Yeah.
You don't need to watch that, but it's funny. It's only been an hour since I've had it, and I feel like my foundation's already not.
Because we sweated. Perfect. We did move furniture.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's such a springy, fresh look. I think I'm just going to get the blush, all about. I'm not really into the blush trend where it goes up high.
I am.
It doesn't look good on me. I feel like it looks good on you.
Yeah,
so yeah, that's a thing to note. Yeah. I mean, I like it more.
I have to lift myself.
Yeah. I like this sort of traditional placement, more like apples on the cheeks. But yeah, it suits some people to really go up higher.
I'm not sure the term blush draping. I always hear people say blush draping. I'm assuming it's like all...
Yeah, the blush drape is when it's like all the way up here, which is editorial, not really for every day. I don't know. Right.
Okay.
Oh, you just did it.
Yeah. Are you highlighting?
I might do a very gentle bronzy highlight. Keep it like this for now. I usually go in with more blush at the end. This is my favorite now, sort of like very gentle contour bronze and such a sort of more subtle highlight. I've kind of not been into the really stunning highlights for a while now.
Yeah, I skip highlighter kind of in normal life. I really kind of went overboard. Oh well. I'm going to prep my eyes, but I'm not going to use normal eye primer because this is pastel. I'm going to just use this NYX white pencil, like just especially on the inner corners. Sometimes I've done this before where I put a matte shadow in there and like my blueness in my eyes just kind of...
Yeah, that's a good idea. Can I borrow that? I've wanted to get that. Is that's the NYX Jumbo? Yeah. That one got really famous because of TikTok.
This one?
Yeah. And it got sold out because people were showing how you can like highlight and contour with it. Or highlight with it.
Yeah, I'm not going to use it all over the eyes. I've already used the NARS matte concealer on my eyes. But it's mostly just for the inner corner for me. Yeah. Because then it'll pop.
I get that. Yeah, sometimes I'll like see a photo of myself and it's like so blue just in this inner corner. I try and color correct it a little bit.
I'm going to start, I usually start with a transition shade, in the crease. But in this particular instance, I'm not. I'm going to start and work my way that way. Right?
My thought was like that sort of minty shade first, working with that, sort of wrapping it around the sort of edge of the eye, top, inner corner, under, and then going and building up the... Yeah.
Okay, let's watch an old lady do her work. Ooh, yeah, see? I think it makes a huge difference.
Now, something I particularly have to be really careful with a look like this is because there's a lot of shadow, color working towards this inner area. Sometimes I will like overdo that and like go almost on my nose if I'm like sloppy. So I'm gonna have to carefully sort of place this in the inner corner.
I actually put it on my nose.
Well, you don't have the problem that I have where it just like draws my eyes in so close together. And same goes for like the liner portion. I'm gonna just like along the lash line build up some liner. I don't like to go too far in. Brings my eyes too close together.
Right. I'm not doing that either, even though I maybe overdid my inner corner, but we'll see.
So speaking of this makeup look, this was on the Instagram of the makeup artist, Donni Davy for Euphoria, and she's coming out with a makeup line, which I think is so fun because you get so many just like famous celebrities getting makeup brands. I'm kind of over it. This is like someone who's actually kind of
I like makeup
creative.
artists' makeup lines best.
Yeah. And I think she might have a fresh take with and have some kind of cool new things. I'm very curious. It's called Half Magic.
Ooh, that's going to be amazing.
Oh, I'm excited.
I can't wait. Okay, I'm going to start with this yellow in my transition Serendipity. I might kind of mix it in with the one beside it, Wildflower, which is like an acid green. But I'm going to go in it on its own first. Let's see how it goes.
I realized I should have brought my teal eyeliner to put in my waterline for this. That would have been cool.
I have one.
Oh, sick. Sick.
That's something Freddie would say. I've never heard you say sick.
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 I heard myself, I was editing our video from like the other day and I was like, jazz it up. Just want to jazz up the look. I'm like, why don't I say that?
I'm using the same brush, by the way, the whole way.
I have a little pencil brush for this portion because again, I don't want to get sloppy and get it too far in. And I'm not going to try and keep up with you because you're so fast.
I know.
Look at her. She's already like...
I'm going to do something different that she didn't do because she's wearing false lashes, so they probably put an eyeliner up top. I'm not going to be wearing false lashes, but I will be using the black from this palette and just like tight lining up top there.
Ooh, there's a white in this.
Yeah, that's what I love about this palette. You got white and black and gray and beige, and it's a rainbow palette.
Yeah, so I'm going to lay this down to brighten what I'm about to do on the lid.
Okay, I am gonna get that acid green and Wildflower.
When you see her with her eyes closed, you can see this green is just sort of in this zone. I think that's cool because I always think of like a shadow shade on your lid. It's got to like reach up to your crease. I don't really think of doing like a gradient along the lid. If that makes sense.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the black. I'm done with the color, I think. Just get a tight brush, like one of these brushes that are like, shaped like a upside down U, and they're, stiff. I like those. Dip into the black and just tight next to my lash line. I'm not gonna go all the way either. I'm just gonna go on the outer third. What did you think of this season of Euphoria? You didn't like?
It was a bit odd. It was a little dramatic. I liked the first season way better. This one, it's just like all the guns and stuff and Nate and
Yeah.
Freaking Cassie. I felt bad for her character. It's like all they did was have her crying all the time.
They humiliated her, didn't they?
Yeah.
I like the adults in it, though.
I like the mom.
The mom, the crazy ass mom, and the McSteamy dad. What a...
Oh, yeah.
He's the kind of guy I would match with on Tinder, by the way.
Oh, God. He's awful.
But he's hot. He still is hot, by the way.
Yeah.
He's still steamy. I'd still do it. I'm ready for mascara, and I want to do my mascara with you.
Oh, okay. Well, let me catch up here.
I mean, online.
Online?
Okay. Usually we go off and do our mascaras.
Okay.
I'll just wait.
Yeah, let me catch up. I'll fast forward through this with you. I'm just like blending these shades, going a bit back and forth.
We're young.
This is a cute little color pop.
Mm-hmm. I don't think she's wearing anything in her waterline.
Yeah.
But I'm going to use...
No? You know what's confusing? Those lashes look like they're coming out of the waterline.
Ew.
They took those lashes off for this scene, though, because she's crying in it. It's when she breaks up with her boyfriend.
See, I like Maud Apatow's makeup. In episode 7, she draws her little lashes on.
Yeah.
That's a young look.
Uh-huh. I need a stand-up mirror to do this. I can't hold a mirror and get in my waterline.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do this.
I've been doing a waterline trick I used to do back in, like, when Linda Evangelista was a supermodel. She still is, but she used to do, like, I mean, there was one look. I don't know if she did it all the time, but she'd put that blue right out here, and then the black. Looks so good.
Okay, liner.
I'm excited for the lashes.
So I'm using the Ritual Davy liner with a very, very tiny angled brush. This is from the KGH. I always say KGH. KJH Spectrum Collection, and it's the 23 brush. Literally, I'd never be able to do liner without this. So let me do this. I'm going to do this off camera. How about? We'll come back and discuss the lashes. Okay, I lined. It's looking crazy.
No.
I think this is one of these looks I'm very excited to put lashes on. And hopefully it comes together. I'm going to go in with the Bite Upswing because it's chonky. It's a chonky mascara.
I'm going to, like, just concentrate in the middle of my eyes. Like, I'm not going to do it the normal way I do it. Like, because her lashes are very different lengths.
I love that lash set, whatever that is.
Yeah.
That's my favorite type of fake lashes. Like, I really love falsies, but I don't love, like, those full sets that almost, like, block out your eyeshadow look. It's like, why did you do all that eyeshadow if you have these spider on you?
These lashes are stunning.
Gorgeous.
And I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. I don't think it's going to work out, but we'll see.
Like spiky bottom.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to go in first with my Thrive mascara on the bottom lash and then maybe build up chunky bits with the Bite. Because this wand is really great for lower lashes.
That's my favorite mascara.
It's hard with lower lashes not to get it smudging everywhere. I almost feel like if I pinch together a couple, then you get a bit more of that vibe. Does anybody have an attractive mascara face? This is why we do this off camera.
Do you know that when you brush your teeth, your eyes are closed?
No, they aren't, but you are. I brush my teeth with my eyes open.
I've heard, though, that everybody brushes their teeth with their eyes closed.
No. I've noticed that was something you do since I was a kid. You like brush your teeth out. I go about, I sometimes do things about the house while I'm brushing my teeth.
Oh.
For lashes, I've taken the Vive Smoky Lashes and trimmed them down to 3 little prongies. I took off the longest end, and I think it just adds like this little cuteness like she has. Maybe these look weird. Maybe I need to break it up some more. I think I'm going to trim it a bit, so it's like boop and then boop. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Let me do this off camera and be right back. Okay, we're back. What do you think of the little lashes I did?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
So I chopped them. I chopped up some lashes and like placed 1 and then 2 here. To sort of get that separated effect. Not quite as wispy as hers, but yes. Lips?
Yeah, I'm going to use one of the Linda Eldridge, and I'm not using...
Lisa Eldridge?
How do I say Linda?
Linda?
Yeah, she has kind of a pinky lip. I don't think she's wearing liner, and I'm not going to do that.
This is like a mid-tone pink that I don't normally wear. So I found this from ColourPop Fresh Kiss. Seems like it might be appropriate.
Ooh.
We'll see.
I'm using... Shh. I broke it. Velvet Beauty. I don't care.
This isn't what I want. I don't like this. I think I'm going to do my own twist, which is do something a little bit more on a peachy side. Peachy pink, which is from Makeup by Mario. Cam. There. It's a good lip color.
Yeah. I've learned how to put on lipstick from your reels.
I like going for this like corally better.
I'm in love with this look. I fucking think it's the best look ever.
It's fun to do this because it's like we'll do things we might not necessarily think of ourselves.
I know.
Okay, let's think. Do I like this? I'm on the fence about this for myself. But it's cute. I like it on you. I don't know. Maybe it's just the yellow shade. Lately I've been a little complainer when we film, haven't I? I don't like my What do you think? What do you think in the comments down below? Do you like this look? Do you like what we did today? Sort of like playing with a look and doing it on each of our faces? I feel
Maybe
like...
follow us on Instagram if you're not already. And we'll post a couple of looks next time, and you can choose which look you want to see us do.
yeah. We can like post in the stories and have like a poll or something like that.
If you want to do that, that would be awesome.
Yeah, let's do
we want
that.
to get more community going here. You know.
Or send us looks you think we should both do. That too.
That too. On the Instagram.
On the IG.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye, witches. That's better.